Hello, in this tutorial we are going to make a simple flashlight using Atom Matrix ESP32. For this project you will need a Atom Matrix ESP32 from M5 stack and Visuino program. Download Visuino program here, go and start Visuino and select Atom Matrix board. Select Atom Matrix board and in the properties window expand modules, RGB matrix and click on the elements 3 dots button. In the elements window drag fill screen to the left side and in the properties window set color to white. Now drag another fill screen to the left side and close the elements window. Add toggle flip-flop component. Add digital multi-source component. Now add detect edge component. Now select detect edge 1 and in the properties window set rising to false. Connect button pin out to T flip-flop 1 pin clock and connect T flip-flop 1 pin out to digital multi-source 1 pin in. Now connect digital multi-source 1 pin 0 to fill screen 1 pin clock and connect digital multi-source 1 pin 1 to detect edge 1 pin in and connect detect edge 1 pin out to fill screen 2 pin clock. At the bottom click on the build tab and make sure that you selected the right port and board and click compile build and upload button.